You can access Smart View directly from Microsoft Excel. The Smart View ribbon gives you the commands you need to connect to EPM, open forms, start ad hoc analysis, refresh data, and work with the application content. Start by reviewing Smart View options so you understand where to control display, formatting, and extension settings. Member options control how member and dimension cells display. Data options control row, column, and missing data display. Advanced options set preferences across applications. Formatting controls member and data formats in forms and ad hoc grids. Cell styles allow you to specify formatting to indicate certain types of member and data cells. Oracle Smart View for Office extensions adds specialized features, modeling tools, and data integration to Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Extensions list the extensions that are currently installed on your computer and provides options for installing, updating, and removing extensions. Next, open a shared connection to an application. Shared connections give you access to the forms and folders that your environment makes available. Under Library, expand the folders to view the available forms. Open a form from the shortcut menu to display it in Excel. When you open forms in Oracle Smart View, they naturally render as interactive Excel worksheets. Use the POV toolbar to choose the members and filters that control the form view. When you connect to a data source provider, the corresponding provider ribbon is displayed. In this example, the planning ribbon gives you form-specific commands for actions such as working with ad hoc analysis, refreshing data, showing or hiding the POV, entering data, and managing approvals. Now let's adjust display preferences and review the result in this form. Before changing preferences, notice the current display. Large numbers do not use thousands separators. Decimal places are not shown, read-only cells use the default background color, and missing data appears with the current missing data label. Open options to change how values and cells appear in the form. In Data Options, set the missing data replacement label to 3 dashes. This makes missing values easier to identify in the grid. In Formatting, use a thousands separator and set decimal places to 2 so numeric values display consistently. In Cell Styles, change the background for read-only data cells to beige color. This helps you quickly distinguish cells you can review from cells you can edit. Apply the changes and return to the form. The form now reflects the display preferences. Missing values show as 3 dashes, large numbers use thousands separators, values show 2 decimal places, and read-only cells use the updated background color. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.